Hey guys, Doug Rucker here. I want to show you real quick a video on putting a bulkhead into a tank. We're putting this on the side of the tank or the sidewall or whatever, so it's a little bit more difficult, but anytime you're putting in a bulkhead, I want to show you how very easy it is to do. You can see we've already drilled the hole out using a hole saw, and now we're going to put the bulkhead fitting in. We've already run a little clothesline rope through the hole and up using the grabber. We just stick it down at the bottom and then grab the rope and pull it up through the top hole with that grabber. So Chase will show you how now we get the hole or the bulkhead into the hole, and one guy can do this. He's putting it through the clothesline with the threaded, going face down into the tank. And then he'll tie this rope off. This is a clothesline rope off onto this ladder rack bar up there, but you can use anything. You can tie it onto the hose reels or anything on the trailer, anything that's going to create a little tension and keep it tight. And so he comes down here, grabs the rope, and you'll pull the bulkhead along with the rope, and then you just stick your finger into the middle. Again, this is going to be a little bit tougher to do, but it'll just come right straight through the hole. And then he's going to take his other piece that you're going to screw onto that bulkhead fitting, put it down the rope with the writing facing out, and you just kind of nice and easily get it threaded started, and it'll screw right on. And that's how you do it when you're by yourself. It's so easy to do with a little clothesline like this. I know some guys have advocated using I don't know, clear braided hose, broomsticks, all kinds of stuff, whatever works for you. That's great. This is how we do it. So I hope that helps you guys. Everybody say thank you, Chase. Thank you, Chase. That was Chase's first time doing that, by the way.